So thanks Mo for doing this video of the IDD. If you could just tell us what symptoms you had.
Well, it all started when I moved a shed base and the wind blew. 2 days later, I was in quite a lot of pain and it radiated down my arm, into my fingers, was in my neck and sort of mid-shoulder. Very, very sore, a bit like being in labour, second stage, forever. I left it for a bit, then went and had a massage thinking I pulled a muscle. That didn't work. Had a course of massages. That didn't work. In the end, I decided on some osteopathy. So went to the osteopath. It was so painful when she touched it. I couldn't do anything. I just couldn't do anything. So I ended up having a scan.
And what did the scan show?
The scan showed 2 discs, C6 and C7, had protrusions. So I went back to see the neurologist and he said to me, I can give you a nerve block. So he gave me a nerve block, which lasted all of 4 hours. And I went back to see him again and he said, well, there's nothing I can do for you. You'll just have to go to a pain clinic.
Okay.
I was on gabapentin, codidromol, diazepam, ibuprofen, the works, but the pain was utterly relentless. I was in absolute despair.
Okay, and how did you find the IDD?
Well, how did I find it? Well, a friend told me about it, an osteopath, Steve. He said he was getting a machine called IDD. It sounded interesting and I would try absolutely anything. I was going on holiday in the February and desperately wanted this to be sorted because I couldn't do anything. I couldn't exercise, walking aggravated it. It was just horrendous. So I had my first session of IDD.
And what did you experience?
It was very relaxing. I wasn't quite sure what to expect, to be honest, but I lay down, quite comfortable, nice and warm, and got stretched. And within 15 minutes, the pain had gone in my arm. I could not believe it. The pain had gone. After the session, I got up and it was fine. The pain level was a lot less. Obviously, it came back again, but not to a great as an intensity as what it had been. After 5 sessions, one after the other, I was 75% improved by the end of the week, which was nothing short of miraculous. At the end of the second week, another 5 sessions, I was 80% improved. And at the end of the, must have been a third week, I was at least 95% improved. All I had was residual nerve pain. But I could walk without pain. There was no jolting in my neck. It was just amazing. Totally and utterly miraculous.
Perfect. So you're happy to recommend the IDD?
Absolutely, totally, yes.
Thank you, May.